Hello everyone, it's been a while since you've seen me. It's been about a month. But I want to talk about some of the things that I've been working on. I've been working on improving my portrait drawing, my realism, my shading, cross-hatching. I'm doing a lot of practicing drawing, trying to do a little bit of figure drawing, but mostly drawing faces. That's always kind of been my weak point, is drawing people and trying to get all the proportions, all lined up and proper. But it's been a really good improvement so far in the past month. If you've seen my last video, I talked about some of the things that I'm working on and what I'm trying to push myself to continue doing. And with that, I started doing charcoal drawing. I haven't really done much of it before. Most of it was just small doodles. It wasn't much of anything, but I've done a couple portraits with it, and I do have a portrait here that I did that was in charcoal, and this is my finished one. It took me about an hour to do this one, and I did it for another YouTuber, and his channel's Cafe Watercolor if you haven't seen it. But I did that drawing for him as a first charcoal drawing, and I was proud of what I was able to accomplish with it. And also, I've been thinking about trying some digital art. I've looked into different tablets, such as all-in-ones, ones that you plug into your computer, or the more convenient ones, which is the ones you can take around with you. I'm leaning towards maybe getting one that is one I can take with me somewhere, but those are a lot more expensive, so I've got a lot of thinking to do with that. And I'm still working on my coloring books. There's going to be a different series, and the coloring book's going to range from abstract drawings of birds and animals to maybe landscapes and people and cities. It could be anything, even different seasons, holidays, and everything. They'll all be different series of color books, and each of the coloring books will be 24 pages starting out. I may make some of them longer, maybe some shorter. Probably not shorter than 24 pages though, but I'll be doing those as well. And I've just taken this past month to kind of take a short break from making so many videos, because I got to where I was feeling kind of burnt out because I was putting so much time into doing them, and I wanted to spend that time on improving my art and getting better as not only an artist but as a person, because I felt like I was getting burnt out from doing so many videos and I really wasn't able to improve as much as I wanted to. So I'll still be making videos, but I'll be more focused on the quality of the content rather than so much about the quantity of it, and focus on trying to improve my art. And if you want to buy some prints, anything of my drawings, I'll have links in the description of the video, such as Redbubble, Society 6, and some other ones that I have linked below the video, and you can check some of those out. And if you have any suggestions about a different tablet I can use that would be good for digital art, I'm looking at something that's more medium to large size. I would say between 15 to 20 inch tablet, something that I could either plug into my computer and use, or preferably one that I can take with me. I'd been looking at the iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch one, but the price of it's really high, and for that price I can get something that is larger and can do more, but I lose the ability to take it with me when I go places. Or for example, if I want to use it in a different room, I'm stuck in this room and I can't really go anywhere else to use it because it has to be plugged in my computer. When I took a break from drawing for a month, I hadn't used my Rotring isographs, and I thought the ink would dry up, but surprisingly it didn't. As soon as I opened the cap and I put the pen to the paper, it was writing. And I had these cheap off-brand ones, and I quit using them for 2 days and they would dry up. So yeah, it's a lot more expensive to go with Rotring, but they work a lot better than other brand. So I would definitely recommend those. But yeah, just gonna keep practicing, doing what I can do, keep pushing myself. I'm gonna be doing murals as well in the future. I've got to contact some people and get some things lined up with that. And yeah, things are going pretty good. And I feel that my progress, within the past month, is when I really dedicated myself to it, and when I took a short break from making so many videos and I just focused on it, I feel like I had more of an improvement in that 1 month than what I had in past year, maybe 6 months at least. And I'm really proud of that, and I'll keep doing what I can. But always have balance to everything. You don't want to overwork yourself to the point where you're exhausted, but you also don't want to underwork and be lazy. So I'm trying to find that balance between everything and just keep doing the best that I can do. For now, thank you for watching, and you have a good day.